Do you want to know how to calculate property tax for resale properties? Hello everyone from beautiful Alanya. I am Mesih Ada, your real estate and investment expert. Over the years, I help clients from all around the world who find their dream properties in Alanya, selling, renting, and managing more than 150 apartments, villas, offices, and shops to happy buyers who choose Alanya as their second home. Today I'm excited to share this informational video about how to calculate property tax for resale properties. If you own or hold property more than 5 years in Turkey, so you don't need to pay tax. But if it's less than 5 years, so this video is for you. For example, you bought property in December 2022 with showing price of 1 million Turkish lira and reselling same property in December 2025 with showing price of 3 million. For calculation, we also need domestic producer price index for December 2022 and also for December 2025. And also we need to add extra cost of 150,000 showing price of 2022 into domestic producer price index of 2025 divided by domestic producer price index of 2022. The result will be 2,366,000 Turkish lira. Showing price of 2025 minus our result, it's 633,350 Turkish lira minus extra cost. It's 483,350 Turkish lira, which is your property. If you want your property tax should be calculated in right way, contact me today for more details. You can check out Turkish progressive tax chart too. Thanks so much for staying till the end of this video with me. I really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe to get amazing real estate opportunities from Alanya. See you on next video where we will explore this amazing property in Oba region of Alanya with 3 different layouts.